Hello boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. It's Alex the nurse, your favorite nurse, coming right back at you with another video about hair loss, the common topic of today. Once again, first I'm trying to say that please excuse my English, my grammar, my spelling is not so good. I'm trying to make it better day by day, video by video, so hope you do understand me. If you got any questions, just ask me and I will tell you my straight, honest opinion. If you like my video, please give it a like. If you don't, just give it a dislike, or maybe just pass by, say hello. If you are kind enough to subscribe to my videos, and maybe just tell me what topics do you want me to talk about, or to give you my honest opinion. I work as a nurse, I'm not a doctor, guys, so I will tell you just what I know from my experience. So today we're going to talk about the wonder drug, the wonder tablet, medication, treatment, what you want to call it, for hair loss, which I have used, and I want to say to express my honest opinion about it. It is, sorry, I have to put my microphone here. Okay, it is finasteride. Okay, finasteride, which was developed by, I don't know, it's an American company, I do not know for sure. It was developed by an American company, let's say it like this, for to treat the men who have problems with the prostate. Okay, because finasteride comes in tablets of 5 milligrams or 1 milligrams, as I recall it, and it's a DHT, DHT inhibitor, which makes the prostate, if you have problems with the prostate, it means that your prostate will be enlarged, and finasteride would just help, maintain your prostate to a normal level, maybe, or just decrease it in size, and maybe you'll be lucky enough to not go to have a surgery to get rid of those prostate problems. So after they did start the treatment on some men, they did observe, that some of them, which they did have problems with hair loss, they just explained that they find that the treatment works on their prostate and also on their hairs, because they will start, they have noticed day by day that their hair will fall lesser and lesser. And when I was a few years ago, because I was like singing as a professional tenor with my professional voice, okay, so I was really concerned about my looks, because I was starting to lose hair, and I got to my doctor, my good doctor Michael, which was my friend, is not anymore because of this incident, and I start to talk with him to make some blood analysis to see what's wrong with my hair. I noticed that I do not have problems with vitamin and minerals deficiency. I do not exaggerate in drinking, in smoking. I do not eat so unhealthy. I try to stay on a level of healthiness, if I can say like this. And the good doctor said, okay, Alex, it's something is wrong with you. You have a genetical predisposition to lose your hair, to develop male pattern baldness or hair loss. Just say it, how do you want it? So he said there are two available treatments. Okay, he said okay, one it's called finasteride, okay, which was developed for enlarged prostate, but they have like a lot alternative. It's not the 5 milligrams. It's propecia or proscar, which is almost the same, but it's a small dose which you can use for your hair, but it's pretty expensive than finasteride, and he said. And the other one, it's minoxidil, which is not so good, but this one, the pill, will do you good. You retain as much as you can, as longer as you can, your hair. Maybe it will grow some new hair, but this is not proven for a fact, but it's proven for a fact that the majority of people who are trying to do this treatment for hair loss will will see day by day the hair fall lesser and lesser. And I did trust the doctor. I asked him about the side effects, and he said maybe a small decrease in libido, but just a small, okay, and some dizziness and some watery nose, dripping from your nose or something like this, weakness. And I said, okay, seems fair enough. I mean, a small decrease in libido, because to be honest, I have a big libido, if I say this. Okay, I'm pretty active, physically active. So I trusted the doctor. Was my not my good friend, was a friend of mine. Okay, we did work in the past together in the hospital. So I said, okay, I'll give it a try. He said, okay, just try the finasteride, because propecia, it's much expensive. It's pretty expensive than finasteride. Just take the pill, and just cut it in small portions, 1 and something milligrams, because it's 5 milligrams a tablet in my country, and just take one little bit each day. I started the treatment, and after a week or two, I did notice, on the pillow, on the shower in the morning, that hair is falling lesser and lesser by the day. So this I was so happy, this was like a dream come true. Okay, it works. But man, then came the side effects, and that is why I'm trying to talk with you. Okay, the side effects were true, and I was a fool, because I had to be sure and to look first on the internet, to ask for a second, the third opinion. But I did trust him, not with my life. It was a foolish thing to do, but I did trust him, because we worked together, we biked together. I mean, we did all those things together, So basically, it was a good friend. Okay, so when I saw that I had the decrease in libido day by day, and erection problems downstairs, I was not able to have a sexual relationship. I said, okay guys, I mean, the rumors and the side effects are true. And I look on the internet, and I saw on YouTube videos with guys saying that do not try this, because in 80% of the cases you will have those side effects. And I was so angry. I phoned a good doctor. I tell him, Michael, you just lied to me. You just wanted to sell that product, to have some money into a pocket month by month, because if he sells, with his prescription, that tablet, he will have a small percentage from that company. How it works. So I care less about the hair, like my girlfriend said, and I care much about my health, as an individual. Okay, but you can lose. Maybe it's from in the beginning. I mean, no. I have read, testimonials that people are just suing the company that they sell this for hair loss, and this is a bad thing, because they did have, after they did stop taking the treatment with finasteride or propecia or Proscar, they did see that they like 40% of them, they had a longer period. Some of them permanently lost their abilities to have sexual relationships. I mean, and I said, you're just a fool, and I was a bigger fool than you, so our relationship is over. So that is why, guys, I'm telling you. Like my girlfriend said, my girlfriend is straight honest with me, said, I care less about the hair on your head. I care so much about your health as an individual. If you will lose your hair, just embrace it, okay? And she's right, we have to embrace it, okay? The only thing that maybe it will work, it's surgery. The other things are, I mean, this treatment is good, but the side effects, they are worse than losing your hair. It's one thing to have a bald head, and one thing to have a full sets of hair, but have, you will not be able to have sexual relationship with a female partner, okay, or whatever you want, a male partner maybe. I don't know. But you know, just think about it, guys. Thank God those problems were not permanent on me, but who knows if I did you know, did the treatment longer, because they said, okay, this is a lifetime treatment. Oh my God, I mean, a lifetime treatment. I mean, I will not see my willy getting up, you know, in my whole life maybe, and but I will have my hair. Okay, I care less about my hair. If my hair wants to go, I will accept it. Okay, just go, just go. I mean, yeah, if my girlfriend wants to leave me, okay, just go. I mean, you have to embrace some things, okay? So maybe it's not for me to have hair. So that is why, guys, I'm telling you, it's pretty important to get a second, a third opinion, to look on the internet, because that is why it's so amazing in those days. You can find people, testimonials, you know, in every country, and you can decide for yourself. That is why you can, if you choose to not believe me, you can see for yourself. Maybe in some people, this thing will not affect their libido. Okay, they will still retain their hair, they will grow their hair back, and they will be healthy, but they will be in small percentage, because we are different. Our genetical makeup is different. They will say it's the same, but it's not, it's different. So thank you once again, guys. My honest opinion, this was my honest opinion. So before you try something, just look for it. Do not do foolish things like me. Okay, do not trust anyone. Just look, you know, ask some opinions on doctors, 1, 2, 3 doctors, 4 doctors, 5 doctors. Okay, ask people on the internet what the positive sides, what the negative sides were, and just make a choice. Okay, guys, thank you for your time. See you once again. Alex the Nurse here.